Okay, so just a little hotel review, and this is the garden wing of the hotel. This is at the rear. Just wanted to show you this because it's got a lovely canopy of shade here. Little seating area. I'll take you through and walk you through the pool area and over to reception and show you more accommodation. So the main bulk of the accommodation is up here. You're just in front of the beach here, just in front of the Centre Grand Hotel. So you are not far away from the centre and the beach. So it's quite a nice location. That's quite a lovely pool. It's nice that half of it is in the shade and half in the sun, so if you want a little bit of shade and don't want to get sunburnt, that's great. The rooms, there we go, that's just under renovation, this one, just to give you an idea how the layout is. And where we just come from is just the garden wing at the back, the most shaded area. Okay. Restaurant. Equipped with fans. I'm going to show you something you don't see a lot in hotels anymore, but you used to do. You used to see it all the time. Very, very rarely see it now. There we go. Internet station. Everyone's got a mobile now, so they don't need that. Little foosball table. Onto reception. Hello. Nice cool little area here. We've got water feature. Got your Harley Davidson table there. And I'll just walk you through to the front of the hotel. As you can see, ample space for parking here. So if you're renting a car or a motorbike. The beach is just in front of these trees here, by the way. And there we go. Just a quick review of the hotel. If you do like this kind of content, please do like and subscribe. Give my video a thumbs up. It helps the YouTube algorithm. And people looking for this kind of content, it puts it right in front of them. Okay, thank you for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.